Let's get this passenger side door all buttoned up with the glass, door handle, interior regulators and stuff like that, new seal, and a couple other little miscellaneous things that happened along the way. And yeah, let's get into this one. So, yeah, that doesn't just slide in my track, at least not for me. So I had to feed it in the bottom, and then I had to take my tool here. It's just one of these cheap little upholstery clip tools. And I put it in. Oops, sorry about all that. So I had to put it in and just push it underneath that lip to get that piece in. Right there. So the truck came with these little visor deals. I removed them all, you know, when I was cleaning up all inside here. So I put these back on, and then these are just like little, I think they're number 8s, self-tapping Phillips. So I just put those in, and then I just sprayed a little bit of paint on them just so they wouldn't rust or whatever, I don't know. And so we got our window regulator in. We've got the regulators for the door latch to open up. I ordered some Phillips head quarter 20s for in here. This is just holding these in there now. And then I still have to set the vent window in, the back channel, the felt, and the glass. So hold on a second. So here is the felt right there. Now that's the leftover piece of the belt molding that goes in the window part. So I cleaned up the channel for the felt. I put it on the wire wheel, and then I just painted it just like a flat black. Let's see if we can get these seals on the door here. Right here, so I got some of that. Here we go. So I know they tell you to start at the bottom of the door and work your way around, but the COE doors are a little different up underneath. You know how they kind of go like that, so it's not a big door. So I'm going to start at the top and work my way around that way, because I am not taking the door off, so I have one hinge that I have to feed it behind. So that's what I want to do now. I'm going to start and then go around. Let's move you around here. So how they tell you to mount this weather stripping is, if you look at the profile, you'll see that's the top edge, right? So if you go up there, you want that to be on the top. So it would be kind of like that. Here, let me. So you have your top edge right here, the longer one. So on this door, it would go on like that, along the top, right? So as it would come down, it always stays on the leading edge of the door. So that's how they're installed. And of course, after you put the seal in, after you spend many hours trying to get that door to close and be right, you have to do it all over again, because that seal really brings out that door. So, and right there, it's already starting to get a little bit of tension. So it's like, there's one click. You can see how far the door is out to the cab. That's just with one click. Yeah. So that door now is fully latched. And you can see the gap. So I have to make that up. Or adjust the whole door again to get that shutting decent-er. But overall, it's not too bad considering this door never did shut when I got the truck. It was so badly down. So I rebuilt the hinges with what I had from the other trucks, and I got the door to open and shut. Very nice. So now it's just going back through and redoing all these and trying to get that door in there a little bit better. So when you shut it, it's not so slammy, and it'll shut so it doesn't leave a huge gap sticking out. So we'll see. So there's the door all together with the glass and vent window in. This interior piece, you saw I did put the felt back in and it had the staples, so I put those in, kind of stockish. I took the piece and I ran it on the wire wheel, cleaned it all up, and then I painted it the same charcoal, dark charcoal, as the rest of the interior accent panels. Yep, and these were number 8 1.5" screws to run all the way through, and then I put number 8 3/16" length inside the weather stripping, so I have a screw holding it there, there, and down there. So that holds the weather stripping in and against the front piece. Yep, everything works awesome. Rolls up and down. Over time, it should break in all those new weather stripping pieces or the felts to be a little smoother. Yeah, vent window, that's really stiff. But yeah. And that's that. So let me spin you around here. So you still got to give it a little bit of love to shut the door. But honestly, I'm okay with that. I swapped the handles, so the key lock that was on the passenger side is now on the driver's side, and the driver's side is on the passenger side. Yeah, other than that, I think it's awesome. It came out really good. All but that gap in the back I still have to fix. So yeah, that's about it for this one. I still have to do the driver's side. I'm waiting for the new vent window to come in to do that. If there's anything you want to see specifically on how I did it, I can show you on the driver's side. Drop a comment below if there's something that you want to see more in depth. I mean, this took me all day to do these windows and the video, trying to keep them kind of under 20 minutes. Yeah, so go out there and build something cool, and hit like, share, subscribe, all that other good stuff they tell you, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks again. Bye.